The 2026 MacLaren W1 Hypercar is a breathtaking testament to the limits of automotive engineering, a machine that seamlessly fuses cutting-edge technology, extreme performance, and jaw-dropping design into a single, cohesive package that challenges the very idea of what a road car can be. From the moment you lay eyes on the W1, you're struck by its aggressive yet elegant stance, low, wide, and purposeful. Every angle of its sculpted carbon fiber body owned by both art and aerodynamic science. The sleek front end, with its signature MacLaren headlights and gaping intakes, signals an unrelenting commitment to performance, while the sharply raked windshield and smoothly flowing roofline hint at the car's remarkable aerodynamic efficiency. It's clear that form and function have been obsessively balanced here. The active aero elements, including a massive rear wing that adjusts in real time and an intricate network of underbody venturi tunnels, create immense downforce at high speeds and actively reduce drag when needed, ensuring the W1 slices through the air like a precision missile. But the W1 is more than just a visual spectacle. It's a technological tour de force built around an all-new hybrid powertrain that sets new benchmarks from power and responsiveness. At the heart of this beast lies a thunderous 5.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that alone churns out an astonishing 900 horsepower. But it's paired with a high-output electric motor adding an extra 350 horsepower, bringing the total to a mind-bending 1,250 horsepower. This hybrid setup isn't just about raw numbers, it's engineered to deliver seamless power across the rev range, with the electric motor providing instant torque to eliminate turbo lag and create a driving experience that feels electric in more ways than one. Put your foot down, and the W1 launches from 0 to 60 in a jaw-dropping 1.9 seconds, pushing you back into your seat with a ferocity that borders on the otherworldly. Keep it pinned, and the W1 will blast past 200 miles per hour in mere heartbeats, ultimately reaching a top speed of 265 miles per hour, putting it squarely in the rarefied air of the world's fastest production cars. But straight-line speed is only half the story here. The W1's handling prowess is equally impressive, thanks to a carbon fiber monocoque chassis that's been engineered for maximum rigidity and minimal weight, coupled with a next-generation adaptive suspension system that can read the road 1,000 times per second and adjust damping forces in real time. The W1 corners with an unshakable confidence that defies its power and size. Carbon ceramic brakes the size of dinner plates ensure that, no matter how hard you push, you'll always have the stopping power to match, bringing the W1 down from warp speed with unerring precision and consistency. Step inside, and the W1's cockpit immediately tells you this car is all about the driver. Every control, every surface, every pixel of the digital display is designed to keep you connected to the experience in the most visceral way possible. The minimalist cabin, clad in Alcantara and carbon fiber, ditches unnecessary frills in favor of a focused, purposeful environment. The digital instrument cluster is a work of art, reconfiguring itself depending on whether you're cruising in hybrid mode or hunting lap times in track mode. And race-inspired steering wheel, with its integrated controls and paddle shifters, places everything you need within fingertip reach. Even the seats are deeply bolstered carbon fiber shells wrapped in luxurious materials that strike the perfect balance between comfort and support, ensuring you stay locked in and confident no matter how hard you're cornering. While the interior is minimalist, it's far from Spartan. Subtle touches of luxury, like ambient lighting and meticulously crafted switchgear, remind you that this is a hypercar that doesn't compromise on quality. But the W1's brilliance isn't limited to what you can see or touch. It's also in the intangible feel of the car, the way it responds to your inputs with immediacy and precision, the way the exhaust note transforms from a menacing growl at idle to a spine-tingling roar as you wind it out to its 9,000 revolutions per minute red line. There's a symphony of mechanical and electric energy at play here, an orchestra of sound and motion that makes every drive an event, even if you're just running an errand. And while the W1's performance is obviously its headline feature, it's also a statement of intent from MacLaren and a demonstration that even in a world increasingly focused on sustainability, there's still room for pure, unadulterated driving passion. The hybrid system isn't just a nod to future regulations, it's a performance enhancer that also allows the W1 to glide silently on electric power alone when needed, making it as versatile as it is vicious. In fact, with its plug-in hybrid capability, you can drive the W1 in near silence through city streets, then unleash all 1,250 horsepower at the press of a button once you're in the clear. This duality, a docile and refined one moment, savage and exhilarating the next, is what truly sets the W1 apart from its peers. It's not just a hypercar, it's a technological showcase, a rolling laboratory that takes everything MacLaren has learned on the track and applies it to the road in a way that's both thrilling and, surprisingly, practical. Of course, all this cutting-edge technology and extreme performance come at a price. Rumor has it the W1 will set you back north of $3 million, making it the kind of car that only a select few will ever experience firsthand. But for those lucky enough to get their hands on one, the W1 promises not just ownership of a car, but membership in an exclusive club, a community of enthusiasts who value not just speed, but the artistry and engineering that make speed possible. And let's be honest, while the W1's numbers are incredible, what really makes it special is the way it makes you feel. There's a purity to the driving experience that's been all but lost in the age of digital everything in the W1. You're not just along for the ride, you're an integral part of it. The car's systems don't insulate you from the road, they enhance your connection to it, amplifying every nuance of the surface, every subtle change in grip, every heartbeat of the engine. It's an analog feeling in a digital age, and it's nothing short of addictive. The competition in the hypercar world is fiercer than ever, with names like Bugatti, Koenigsegg, and Rimac vying for the top spot, but the MacLaren W1 stands out for its unique approach, a blend of traditional internal combustion fury and cutting-edge hybrid wizardry that somehow manages to feel both futuristic and timeless. It's lighter than the Bugatti Chiron, more focused than the Koenigsegg Jesko, and arguably more versatile than the Rimac Nevera, carving out its own niche as the ultimate expression of MacLaren's performance philosophy. And while it's clearly built to dominate on the track, it's also designed to be driven, to be used, to be experienced in the real world. That's perhaps the most remarkable thing about the W1A. It's not a fragile showpiece destined to spend its life in a climate-controlled garage. It's a hypercar that's meant to be driven, to be enjoyed, to be shared with the world, one breathtaking moment at a time. As we stand here, looking at this incredible machine, it's hard not to feel a sense of awe, not just at what MacLaren has accomplished with the W1, but at the fact that cars like this still exist at all. In an era where everything is being electrified and automated, where the joy of driving is increasingly under threat, the W1 is a defiant roar of internal combustion and human passion, a rolling piece of art that reminds us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. And ultimately, that's what makes the 2026 MacLaren W1 so special, not just its outrageous speed or its cutting-edge technology, but the way it captures the essence of driving itself. It's a car that invites you to push harder, to go faster, to chase the horizon with everything you've got, and in doing so, to discover not just the limits of the machine, but the limits of yourself. For those who live for the thrill of the drive, for the intoxicating blend of power and precision, the W1 isn't just a car, it's the ultimate expression of everything that makes driving great, and it's a testament to what happens when a company refuses to settle for anything less than perfection. In a world that sometimes seems determined to take the fun out of everything, the MacLaren W1 is a thrilling reminder that, when it comes to driving, the best is yet to come.